We made it to the waterfall. It looks like we have to climb back down all the way from there. Big Dipper Waterfalls is a tough, it's not tough hike, it's easy, but it's a long hike, about 4 miles round trip. So we made it here. We climbed up to the hill up there and then down, and then we went around here and all the way there. But you can't see it, but this is a 360 view of the waterfall. But there's another waterfall all the way there, like a little waterfall and little pool of water. It's pretty cool. It's worth the hike. It's really beautiful. The water's really cold, freezing almost, but it feels good. View up here. So this is where the water from the waterfall comes down. So the waterfall's all the way there. You have to walk over those rocks, and then this water comes through here. And this is where we enjoyed and took a dip in the water. It's pretty cool. Look at all that water. Walk down here. Hey, Bladen!